In the past, we have shown you how Indian financial stocks are among the most popular when it comes to the sell side analyst recommendations. You have the likes of ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, along with some of the other auto names like Maruti and Bajaj Auto, which feature in the most tracked stocks amongst the global community that we have. However, today what we are going to do is look at which stocks are the top rated sell as per the analysts that track them. And interestingly, once again, it is an Indian company that makes it to the top of the list, and that is TVS Motors, with 26 analysts having a sell recommendation and 8 analysts having a hold as well as sell recommendation. Amongst the other 4 names that we have in the top 10, these are all Indian companies that I'm referring to. You have PNB with 21 analysts having a sell recommendation and 2 analysts having buy recommendation, along with 4 analysts that have a hold recommendation. Berger Paints, the next one that I'm going to refer to, 18 analysts have a sell recommendation while 2 analysts have buy recommendation and 5 of them have a hold recommendation on the stock. BHEL, the next Indian stock on the list, once again 18 sell recommendations versus 2 buy recommendations and 11 hold recommendations. The last stock on the list, which is from the Indian basket, is Eicher Motors, where you have 16 analysts who are negative on the stock, while you have 23 analysts who have a buy recommendation and 7 analysts have a hold recommendation. Amongst the top 10 in the world, Eicher Motors is the only stock which has more number of buy recommendations than the sell recommendations itself. Some of the other global names include Lufthansa, which has 24 sell recommendations, 1 buy recommendation and 3 hold recommendations. The other airline stock to feature in this list is AirAsia, 17 sell recommendations. None of the analysts that track the stock have a buy recommendation, while 3 of them have a hold recommendation. The other global bank that is included in this list is Deutsche Bank, where you have 17 analysts with a sell recommendation. Once again, none of the analysts that track the stock have a buy on this particular one, while 13 of them have a hold recommendation. Novozymes is the other one that I have on the list, 19 sell recommendations, 2 buy recommendations and 4 hold recommendations. And the last one you have Kone OYJ, where you have 15 sell, 5 buy and 14 hold recommendations. But just to give you an insight a little bit more into TVS Motors, like I said, there are 8 analysts who have a buy as well as hold recommendation. 26 analysts have a sell recommendation. Remember that there is no stock in the world which has more number of sell recommendations than TVS Motors itself. And as per the target price that analysts have computed for this particular stock, the current market price, it offers a return potential of negative 15% over the next 1 year. But interestingly, like they say that Bhav Bhagwan Che, the stock ever since May has traded above its target price. So definitely interesting times lie ahead for TVS Motor.